Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stuff some dates. As Muslims, we have Ramadan around the corner, so I'm just doing some early preparations before Ramadan. So here I have a handful of dates. What I am doing is I'm just putting the knife across, opening them up and taking out the stone. And I will then stuff the dates with some almonds and some pistachios. It just gives you a little extra energy in the month of Ramadan. There you go. Just make sure they're all out. Just need to do that one. Dates are very, very nutritious. I think everybody should have some dates. So now I'm ready to stuff my dates. So I have a handful of almonds and a handful of pistachios, and my dates have already been split open. So here we go. I'm going straight in with the almond, and I will add some pistachio. One almond, one pistachio. One almond, one pistachio. Some of them are quite big, so you might even get away with putting in 2 pistachio pieces like that. Following on from this, I just stack them up in a small container and refrigerate them because they taste absolutely amazing when they're cold. The dates with almonds and pistachios are really easy to make. Literally takes about 10 minutes. Please try it at home and let me know how you get on in the comment section below. If you like my video, please like the link and please hit the subscribe button. See you soon.